Alright, so after a little bit of trial and error, I managed to get this thing to work and close okay. I don't like the gap, but it is what we have to do. That's just, sometimes things are what they are. But anyway, check it out. There's where he lives. In the door. Closes up all the way. This is what I was talking about. As this door swings open, see, it swings to the inside so that you can get the door all the way open 90 degrees. Where before, this door would only open to about, I don't know, probably right there, which, yeah, it's no good. Don't like it. But that's it. Been a long couple of days. That's where he'll live. And now I gotta get the latch down at the bottom. I gotta get these two doors to live in harmony together. And then I gotta get the latch built in this one, and the latch built to this to latch to this. Why wasn't I like building cars again? I don't remember. Oh well, anyway, it's Friday. Take it easy. I'll see you Monday.